Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 27 developer beta battery draining fast issue. So guys, if you are downloaded and installed the latest version, that is iOS 27 developer beta, and your iPhone is draining your battery fast, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So as first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then iPhone storage, and then make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data, and after this go to apps and delete the useless apps from your device for one time as well. So as do this, and after this go back and go to language and region, and go to region and select your country or region correctly. Go back and then go to background app refresh and turn on background app refresh for different apps which you don't use frequently. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.